Beurre Blanc is a hot emulsion sauce that's usually served with fish. Okay, and this is a modern day version of it. We start with making a gastric, which is mostly white wine and some vinegar, reduced right down with some shallots. And we'll reduce it right down into a couple of tablespoons of liquid, like this. Once that's reduced right down, we add some cream. And then the cream is reduced right down as well. And the cream is there to stabilize the emulsion and stop it from splitting. This is something that's employed by restaurants to make sure that a big batch can sit all the way through service without splitting. Okay, so once the cream is reduced, then it's in with the butter. Now, temperature management is quite important here because you need to make sure that pan's not getting too hot and splitting the sauce. So we have it over a very moderate heat and we whisk in the butter a little bit at a time. Once the butter is completely emulsified, then we add in the next few blocks. Keep it moving so it doesn't get a chance to split. Now, a traditional beurre blanc for fish, you would cook the piece of fish in a pan, remove the fish, deglaze the pan with some lemon juice and then whisk in the butter and pour it straight on the piece of fish that you've just cooked. And this modern day version of a beurre blanc is more aimed at making a batch and having it for the duration of service and serving multiple tables as opposed to just having one portion of sauce per serving. And I'll add some salt and some pepper and taste it. Probably takes quite a bit of salt. And then run it through a strainer and serve it. And the idea with beurre blanc is that you make it for dinner and you serve it and you use it all. It doesn't sit in the fridge very well. The butter sets and it's very hard to reheat. So just make enough for what you need.